Last month, I uploaded 2 videos on Iman's animation that you all really liked, but some of you also want me to create a video on MrBeast's video editing. In response, I started searching on YouTube for MrBeast's video editing to get some ideas or find any advanced effects created with other softwares. My goal was to recreate those effects in CapCut for you all. Unfortunately, I didn't find anything valuable or unique. So, I took matters into my own hands and analyzed MrBeast's videos myself, and created a 3-step tutorial including a special effect that hasn't been revealed before by anyone on YouTube. Trust me, you won't want to miss this, so stick around till the end, and with that said, let's dive into the video. Step 1. Adding text like MrBeast. First, we need to cut apart from the video where we will add text. This is our raw footage for text edition. Next, click on the text button in the top left corner. Then click on Auto Captions and Generate. CapCut will generate captions for you. To make it look like MrBeast captions, go to the Template section. We have 3 types of templates, similar to MrBeast's style. I will select this one. If you don't find any suitable template, go to the Basics section, change the font to ZI Palette, and adjust the color of your text if you want. You can also play around with the scale and position, add strokes, background, and even you can add glow effect to your text. Let's take a look at the video with these enhancements.
This is a $1 billion super yacht, and it's big enough to hold an entire city on the water. How do humans build this stuff? And I'm going to show you the difference between this.
Step 2, text tracking. For text tracking, I've gathered some clips of the yacht. Click on text and drag the default text layer onto the timeline. Add your text, let's say 1 billion, and select the font you like. I'll choose the trend font. You can customize the text further, but I'll just increase the shadow a bit. Place your text on top of the boat. Click on Tracking and select Motion Tracking. Here we have different options for direction, scale, and distance. Turn off the scale option to prevent the text from changing size consistently, which looks unprofessional. Adjust your tracking rectangle and press Start. The tracking might not be smooth initially, but there's another way to achieve smooth tracking. Add keyframes to the text layer after every 2 or 3 frames, adjusting the scale and position as needed. Press right-click on the text layer and select Show Keyframe. Select every keyframe and press Auto Curve and then hide the keyframes. Now you have smooth text tracking like MrBeast. Step 3, Bluray effect. MrBeast often uses this stunning Bluray effect in his videos, so I thought it would be a good idea to break it down for you guys. So stick around and I'll show you how to nail it step by step. First, press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste, creating a duplicate layer of the video. Then select the first video layer, click on Remove and select Auto Removal. The background of our first video layer is now removed. Go to the Effects section and select the Bluray effect. I've saved this effect to my favorites. You can also save it by clicking the star. If you can't find the effect, try searching in the search bar. Drag and drop this effect onto the first video layer. Copy my settings to achieve the perfect effect. After that, to add glow to this effect, search for Color Flash. In the Effects section, drag and drop it onto the first layer and copy my settings. Now, let's take a look at all the edited videos with these enhancements.
This is a $1 billion super yacht, and it's big enough to hold an entire city on the water. How do humans build this stuff? And I'm gonna show you the difference between this ship is bigger than 3 statues of liberty. Holy. At our own rooms, but this ship has over 2,000, a floating city that is 1,200 feet wide.
This is a mental challenge, trying to stay zoned in. Going on 5 a.m. right here, but I came this far. I've been confident this whole time. I promise, I'm ready.